Dollar down despite central bank's hawkish comments to tame inflation. The dollar turned into down on Thursday morning in Asia, after principal financial institution chiefs signaled a resolution to carry down inflation. The U.S. dollar index that tracks the dollar towards a basket of other currencies inched down 0.06% to 105.04 with the aid of 12:35 a.m. Eastern Time, 0435 GMT. The USD-JPY pair stabilized at 136.59. The AUD-USD pair edged up 0.15% to 0.6891, and the NZD-USD pair inched up 0.03% to 0.6219. The USD-CNY pair inched down 0.08% to 6.6952, whilst the GBP-USD pair inched up 0.05% to 1.2132. The Euro-USD edged up 0.15, after dropping 0.75% on the greenback the day before. Christopher Wong, the senior FX strategist at Maybank, attributed the euro's fall in opposition to the greenback to the marketplace moving far away from riskier property after relevant bankers warned of lasting inflation and they would prioritize fighting it, ensuing in vast dollar rebound overnight. Central banks' hawkish stances have stoked recession fears and shaken monetary markets in latest months. Global stocks are set to close out their worst quarter because the 3 months ended March 2020. U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and his European and UK counterparts warned that inflation might be long-lasting in the course of the European Central Bank's (ECB) annual forum in Portugal. He added that it became important to deliver down inflation. Meanwhile, Fed Bank of Cleveland President Loretta Mester said officials need to act forcefully to decrease rate pressures. Mester stated that the Fed is simply at the beginning of growing charges and she or he desires to see the benchmark lending fee attain 3% to a few 0.5% this year and a bit above 4% next year, although that could drag the financial system right into a recession. In Asia-Pacific, China's manufacturing facility Pastime expanded for the first time in 4 months as lockdowns led to most important towns inclusive of Shanghai. Official facts released in advance in the day confirmed that the Producing Buying Managers Index (PMI) rose to 50.2 in June from 49.6 in May, the first growth due to the fact that February. Meanwhile, President Xi Jinping mentioned zero COVID remains the most monetary and powerful policy for China even though the U.S. just slashed COVID quarantine time for inbound tourists. In cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin dipped back below the symbolic $20,000 degree on chronic marketplace ructions.